Hi students, now we'll discuss about discovery of subatomic particles. First, discovery of electrons. So, electron is a subatomic particle of atom. Atom is a small part of molecule. So, this small part of molecule also contain some subatomic particles. They are electrons, protons, neutrons, antiproton, meson, positron. Already this is completed. Okay. So, discovery of electron. Electron was discovered by J. Thomson. Electron was discovered by J. Thomson. J. Thomson by using cathode ray discharge tube. By using cathode ray discharge tube. Cathode ray discharge tube. This tube was designed by Sir William Crookes. So this tube also called as Crookes discharge tube. Crookes discharge tube. This tube was designed by Sir William Crookes. That's why this tube also called as Crookes discharge tube. Name of electron was suggested by Stoney. Name of electron was suggested by Stoney. Okay, electron was discovered by Thomson by using cathode ray discharge tube. Name of electron was suggested by Stoney. Okay, how to discover electron? Okay, electron was discovered by using cathode ray discharge tube. What is cathode ray discharge tube? So it is a glass tube. Both ends are closed. Both ends are closed. It is a glass. It is made up of glass and both ends are closed. So now we'll see how discharge tube. So it is a cathode ray discharge tube. This tube is made up of glass. It is made up of glass. So here we use cathode. Here we use anode. So it is cathode and anode. Both are connected to battery. So it is a battery. Both are connected to battery. So it is cathode. Cathode negative, anode positive. Cathode negative, anode positive. So here plus symbol, minus. It is a cathode ray discharge tube. This tube is filled with gas. Which gas? Any gas. This tube is filled with gas. Then what happened? Then we observe. Here we use vacuum pump. So it is vacuum pump. Vacuum pump. What is the use of vacuum pump? By using vacuum pump, we can adjust the pressure inside the tube. Adjust the pressure inside the tube. Adjust pressure inside the tube. Pressure inside the tube. So this tube is filled with gas. Which gas? Any gas. Gas. This tube is filled with gas. Any gas. Okay. Then what happened? Under normal conditions means we cannot apply any external source. External source means pressure, or voltage. We cannot apply any external source. Gases behaves as bad conductors. Gases behaves as bad conductor. When we apply high voltage, means 10,000 volts, high voltage. Next, low pressure, that is 0.01 mmHg. 0.01 mmHg. For example, we apply high pressure, gas compressed, and gas converts to liquid, liquid converts to solid. And when we compress, gas ఏమైతుందన్న liquid convert అవుతుంది. There is no use. That's why we apply very low pressure and high voltage. What is the use of high voltage? Already you know, this tube is filled with gas. These all are gas particles. Gas particles. When we apply high voltage, means for example it is a gas. Which gas? Oxygen gas. For example, oxygen gas. I am applying high voltage, or voltage nothing but energy. High voltage or voltage nothing but energy. High energy. I am applying high energy. Then what happened? Oxygen loses electrons. And converts to O plus. By using high energy, gas loses electrons and converts to positive charge. Means by applying high voltage, these all are gas particles. Gas particle loses electrons. These are our electrons. Gas particles loses electrons. Okay, now this tube contains electrons. At high voltage, flowing of electricity in the form of rays, by using electrons. Normal conditions, there is no electrons, there is no conductivity. In high voltage and low pressure, there is electrons. Flowing of electricity in the form of rays. These rays are called as cathode rays. Flowing of electricity in the form of rays. These rays are called as cathode rays. Cathode rays contains electrons, so it is also called as cathode rays or stream of electrons. Cathode rays travel from cathode to anode, because cathode rays travel cathode to anode because their opposite direction, which means electron has negative charge. Cathode rays travel chestunnai cathode to anode. That's why charge of electron negative. We don't know exact value of charge of electron. Charge of electron is negative. Only we know charge of electron negative. Okay, electrons are traveled from cathode to anode. Cathode rays themselves are not visible. Cathode rays manaku kanipistayi, kanipichu. But how can we know? Making a hole at anode. And inside the tube behind anode, it is coated with zinc sulfide screen. So it is zinc sulfide. So making a hole at anode and inside the tube coated with zinc sulfide. It is fluorescent or phosphorescent material. Inside the tube coated with zinc sulfide material. When cathode rays strikes the zinc sulfide screen, a flash of light is produced on the screen. It is a flash of light. Produced on the screen. So this indicates cathode rays are traveled from cathode to anode. Okay, so the nature of cathode rays does not depend on nature of gas, because we take any gas, it releases electrons, but depends on pressure, depends on voltage. Different gases have different voltages. Okay, we take any gas, it loses electrons. Cathode rays are traveled from cathode to anode. Cathode rays themselves are not visible, but their visibility can be observed with the help of zinc sulfide screen. So it is important in MSET or mains. Okay, their visibility can be observed with the help of zinc sulfide material. Cathode rays are stream of electrons. Okay, how can it visible? Making a hole at anode and inside the tube coated with zinc sulfide screen. For example, so this experiment is observed in cinema theaters. అందరు సినిమా థియేటర్స్కి వెళ్తారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇప్పుడు లాక్డౌన్ కాబట్టి ఎవరు వెళ్ళలేదు కానీ సినిమా థియేటర్స్లో ఏమవుతుంది నాన్న, మనం సినిమా చూసేటప్పుడు ఏమవుతాయి, మనం మించిన రేస్ వెళ్తాయి పైనుంచి. ఆ రేస్లో మనకు పిక్చర్ కనిపించదు, కానీ ఆ రేస్ ఎప్పుడైతే ముందున్న ప్రొజెక్టర్ని టచ్ అయితే అప్పుడు మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, పిక్చర్ కనిపిస్తుంది. So it is example for cathode rays. When cathode rays strike the zinc sulfide screen, a flash of light is produced. అక్కడ సినిమా థియేటర్లో ఏమవుతాయి, రేస్ ఎప్పుడైతే ప్రొజెక్టర్ టచ్ అవుతాయో అప్పుడు మనకి ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది నాన్న, పిక్చర్ కనిపిస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ డిస్కవరీ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్. నౌ వీ నో ఓన్లీ చార్జ్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ నెగిటివ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద చార్జ్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్? Charge of electron is negative charge.